Hi and welcome back to MRTV here from CES 2025. I'm excited to be here with Ralph from XREAL. Ralph, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks so much for coming into the booth and checking us out.
Sure, of course. So, as you know, I checked out the XREAL One and I was absolutely excited about it. It's my go-to headset now for these kind of video glasses, simply because you have the new chip there that you made yourself, and with this chip, you can fix the stuff in space, and no matter what kind of source player you use. And that's what I loved, because I can put my Steam Deck to it, and I can fix the thing in space. Loved it. So now, for the first time, I'm excited to check out the XREAL One Pro. Exactly. So I hadn't seen them before, and please tell our audience what is the difference, or tell me what is the difference now to the one that I checked out.
So you've seen the one, you're familiar with it, and you've seen AR glasses that have this traditional bird bath lens on the inside. It's got the triangle lens here.
Right.
So the one gives us a 50-degree field of view, and your virtual screen can get almost 200 inches in size.
Okay.
It's a great pair of glasses.
Right.
And then the One Pro comes in, and it changes the lens.
It looks totally different.
It is totally different. It's an 11 millimeter thin, flat prism lens instead of the triangular bird bath. And what that gives you is 57 degrees field of view, where now your screen can get into 400 plus inches. So it's a smaller optics engine, it's a smaller lens, but it gives you a bigger field of view and then a bigger virtual screen.
Interesting. So now we're actually looking through the thing. For this, there was some reflection, the bird bath technology, which also works good, actually.
That's right. It is a little bit of a trade-off. Sometimes you can get a little reflection bouncing off of that lens. No more reflection bouncing off of the flat prism.
It looks so interesting. It's the first time that I get to see this new technology here.
Well, you got to try them on and start playing again.
Yeah, I will. That's what I'm here to do. So, what other? But I can still see through it, so I could still see my reality.
That's right. That's right. So we are hard committed to OST, optical see-through. So you can still see through any of our glasses at any time, regardless of what the screen is.
Good.
And now that you have all this control over your screen through the X chip, the X1, you can make your screen bigger, smaller, farther, closer. Right. The same things you've already been able to do. Now with the Pro, you can do it in a larger field of view, so an even bigger screen, but you'll always be able to see through the lens.
Cool, let's do it.
You gotta get your hands
I gotta
on
do it. Thanks, Ralph. Today's video is brought to you by HonsVR Lens Inserts. HonsVR is an MRTV channel sponsor, and if you are a glasses wearer, I highly recommend their VR lens inserts. HonsVR offers high-quality products at very competitive prices, all while delivering lenses in only a couple of days, no matter where you are. And you're raving about their great service, so go to honsvr.com, get your lenses, and use code MRTV for a 5% discount. Thanks to HonsVR for sponsoring the channel. Okay, cool. So let's do this. This is the Pro, and I'm seeing the difference now. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. All right, and yeah, okay. Follow, yeah. This is just as sharp as we have seen it before, which is good with this new technology here. So it still looks great. But the controller doesn't work. It's not connected, or? Ah, yeah. Right. Yes, good. All right, so the Pro, and yes, it is. The FOV is indeed a bit bigger, and it's interesting that they have now this see-through prism technology, which seems to be more like a traditional lens, but indeed I can still see through. I can still see the car, which is behind that. And yeah, it looks good. And just like before, the great thing about the XREAL One is that the stuff is fixed, and you don't need any other device for it. You don't need the XREAL One the Beam Pro for it. You just connect this to your Xbox like here, or to your Steam Deck, and it will work fine. Okay, but they need to recharge this. Okay. Yeah. All right, I would not say actually that this is like a game changer in terms of FOV compared to the One. So yes, it is probably like a tad bigger, but it's not like, oh wow, I must choose the Pro now for the FOV. I think that's important to understand. But what I see here still is pretty amazing. Yeah, okay. I don't know the price difference now, out of my heart, how much more expensive the Pro is. 100 more expensive. Okay, thanks to Marco. Yeah, okay, is it worth 100 more? I would have to see what other advantages does this new technology have, this prism see-through. Okay, yeah, but just like before, the 3DOF is a game changer. The 3DOF is really good. Yeah, so it turns out until now it's the XREAL One family that I would recommend, simply because you can do 3DOF with everything. You know what? I would like to find out about Marco's first opinion of this headset. So Marco, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
That's the first time I see the XREAL One Pro and the One in general, so I'm really excited. So first I would say the cable is very cool. It's like textured cable, and this is important because you have like the cable always on your head, so this is cool. The build quality is very good, and now I will see the picture. Oh yes, that's cool. So I also play like Batman here on the Xbox. I love Xbox.
The controller battery is nearly gone.
Yeah, okay. It's so cool. It's so cool that I can move my head, but you have to know that because of the 57-degree field of view, I can see the game only when I'm in the best position now, completely. When I move my head, of course, the game stays fixed at the position. That's the feature. And this is very comfortable because I can see my real world then. I can see you now, I can do anything, and then I can just come back to the position. And it's good. It's not like that when I move my head, the picture is moving with me. And sometimes this could be distracting, and this is good. That's cool. Okay, that are my new favorite AR glasses.
It's so fast.
Yeah.
Right? It had exactly the same fast feeling about it.
Really.
What you can do, here is a red button on your right.
Here?
Downstairs. Not upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah, here?
Yeah.
Is this right?
Yes, it is this
Okay.
one. Click it once.
Yeah.
And then it's smooth follow. It's follow
Oh yes,
smoothly.
the smooth follow is great. It's not so distracting, right?
Exactly. It's also okay.
Nice, and it's so fast.
So what do you think about FOV?
I mean, I have no comparison like you have with the One, but yeah, yeah, the FOV is small. Yeah, it is small.
Compared to VR headsets.
Yeah, correctly. But compared to other headsets, I think it's very good. And I can see clearly to the edges, everything is sharp. And this is not like with every AR glass. I would, it's not often I say this, but I would recommend to buy these.
Oh wow, it's a very strong first impression here for Marco.
It is really.
Team MRTV.
It's really great.
And he seldom would say something like this.
Yeah, that's right. Whoa, now I get motion sickness. Okay, very cool. Yes, I love these.
Okay,
They're not perfect, but they are as good as the technology can be now.
Yeah.
That's really good.
And there's even more actually. You could go to the menu by double-clicking the red thing. And you can get like an ultra-wide rounded picture, and you can make the screen bigger.
Yo.
It's pretty cool.
Nice. Ultra wide mode. Should we completely broke this demo here? And 3D mode, screen distance. Okay, I will change the screen distance. Oh, that's cool. Now the screen is more far away, and then it's better with the FOV, right?
For example,
This is so cool, the menu here. Wow. And you can change just the screen size. 278 inches. Sure. Yeah, cool. I mean, now it's different to explain it to you because you don't see it. But I can totally say if you want AR glasses, which really does a great job here, the glasses here do a great job, then get the XREAL for today. Like this is like our second appointment, our first AR glass today, but I would say those are really good. How can I like make the dimmer function here? Do you remember the button?
I know. Like you can set up the button. Like I have set it up to long press on the top, but they have probably done it differently, you know?
Yeah.
That's probably no.
Okay, I broke the demo, but it's okay. The picture's gone now. Yeah, very cool. And how do they look?
They look good.
The design is cool. It's comfortable. It's great.
Very cool. Okay, so
Yeah.
that was a convincing.
Yeah, that was convincing.
Convincing here.
And to be honest, it's a convincing booth here on the exhibition. Looks so amazing. Really cool. Nice job, XREAL. So you've come a long way, and now you have a really good product. Really
These are
cool.
the best glasses.
Yeah,
Just
nice.
because of the fixing of stuff in space.
Very cool.
Okay, good. Thank you, Marco. So, as you could see, both Marco and I were both very impressed by the XREAL One Pro. Even better than the XREAL One. And well, if you would afford like $100 on top of the XREAL One, yes, you got our blessing to go for the XREAL One Pro. Everything is a bit better than the XREAL One, but if you want to save $100 or if you have already ordered the XREAL One, you don't need to feel bad about not getting the XREAL One Pro. So overall, XREAL One and XREAL One Pro are, in our opinions, right now, the best video AR glasses that you can get on the market. And again, the reason is the new X1 chip that would allow them to have 3DoF tracking no matter what kind of source player you're using. So plug this into your Steam Deck and enjoy 3DoF tracking, which you don't have with the other glasses. So, can just say congrats to XREAL. They have a killer product on their hands right now. If you want to get this, the link is down in the description of this video. That's everything we have from the XREAL booth of CES 2025. We totally hope that you love our coverage. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And of course, absolutely subscribe to MRTV for more videos about all this immersive stuff that we love so much. And also go to the MRTV Discord server where we discuss all these topics every single day. The link is down in the description of this video. And that's now finally everything. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.